Hi guys, welcome back to Paper Confessions with Karamia, part 3 of this wonderful price pack. This is Friendship Friday, and this wonderful happy mail comes from Dale from Not Too Shabby Chic, who is also the host of Friendship Friday. So if you would like to see more of what's underneath all of these, check out the other part 1 and 2 of this happy mail. Let's get to it and show you what else she included. Here it is, some acrylic paint. Super awesome. We have some beautiful colors. Here are the swatches. So I'm excited to share that with my daughters. They're gonna love it. They love to paint. And then we have beautiful postcards. Oh my gosh. These are just amazing. Dale finds the most amazing thrifted treasures. Just look at these. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. And I spy some vintage trim. Look at this lace. Oh my gosh, isn't that gorgeous? We are gonna add that to our journals. Oh my goodness. And look at what she has gifted. This is the April issue of Women's Day. How adorable is that image there? What? There's something in there. So this was one of the items that she had shared in her Thrifty Thursday or Thrifted Treasures, like share. I'm super excited for her because she said she may be curating some mystery boxes. So make sure to check out her channel. Look at that. And subscribe and support her, because I'm telling you guys, just looking at this price pack, can you imagine once she gets those boxes ready, it is going to be amazing. I just love this. Look, there's Hawaiian Party from Dole, and then we have our Armor Sweet Cured Ham. Oh my goodness. Here is an antique photograph. I think it's just adorable. What I love most about it is that pug. Do you see the pug there in the center? I love dogs, so I'm so happy that Dale has shared this with me. Again, I'm going to be scanning this and then including it in some of our journal making. Let me put that right there. We will just quickly look through here just to show you some of the ads. And then I'm going to probably do that another time, just in the interest of time, because again, there is more in this box. She has shared these amazing cabinet cards. Now, this is not the first time. I was lucky to receive these gorgeous images from Dale. She has shared so many of these with so many other crafty friends as well. And I feel so blessed and lucky because these make wonderful ephemera in our journals. And again, it's just wonderful to see what photographs look like. These are some studio photographs, but how amazing is that? Oh my gosh, we have a Winnie the Pooh little remnant here, and I love it. That is too cute. She's also shared some of these mason jar papers. Now, Dale has been talking about making a cooking journal, and this is giving me some of those vibes. So I will definitely use this as a paper sheet for a future cooking journal. And speaking of mason jars, she's also included these cute little baggies that we can reuse for our packaging for Happy Mail. You can also use them as pockets. And I love these. She has shared some of these popcorn little bags with me before, and I used them in my Sunny Days summer journal. So thank you so much. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. What? I have never seen comics on a wax paper. It's been printed on wax paper. How cool is this? Oh my goodness. Dale, I love Baby Blues. It's my favorite family comics, and I have the books. My kids and I read that. I love Garfield. This is just too cute. And it looks like these are several pieces. I'm definitely going to use this in future projects as well. You can make little baggies with this. That's really awesome. Oh my gosh, what do we have here? A passport holder? Oh, how fun. This will definitely come handy. We travel now and then. And that's super thoughtful of you to share this. It's a great protector. Look at that. That's perfect to protect our passport. You'll have your ID right there. So easy access, and it looks like we have a clip. So if you would like to put your ID, sorry about the noise, you have a little lanyard, and then you have a little piece there that you can put it in. Oh my gosh. And then check it out. She has also shared a little golden book, and it's my little book of farm animals. I just love it. This is too cute. Look at the sheep and the little ducklings and a baby puppy. Aww, that is too cute. I love it. Thank you so much, Dale. This is just so precious. And then we have more fabric here. Check out this gorgeous embroidered piece here. And it's rare for me to find something in black with some of these gorgeous embroidery. So I am definitely, again, gonna find a theme where I can use that. Beautiful yellows. That goes well with the black as well, I think. And then we have our orange. How fun are these colors for our fall? Oh my goodness. She's also shared some linen, and these make great backgrounds and pockets in our journals. Here is another one. Oh my gosh, look at this. It looks like this was part of a valance. So part of, you know, your curtain, and then there's a shorter part at the top. But this is so elegant and gorgeous. Look at that. That is just, you can cut them apart or, you know, use larger pieces on a cover. I am just amazed. And what do we have here? Oh, wow. She has shared some of these long oval bezels, I think. And then you can put some dried flowers, maybe do some of those magic dimensional Mod Podge and create some little pendants. This is gorgeous. Thank you so much for sharing that. I'm gonna put that with our buttons over here. Oh my goodness, Dale. And then we have this red, gorgeous napkin. It is a pretty sturdy fabric, so I can see myself using this on a cover. Just look at that red. How cute is that? She's also shared, and these come super handy. These are cute little paper bags. Now, when I started making my mini albums, gosh, 2016 or so, this was a big fad where they would use these and create like mini albums and fold them in half, create pockets here. So these would be great for those projects. Thank you for that. And then we have a couple more here. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Dale, this is amazing. I love the 1920s fashion. I love Art Deco style decor. And this is just, oh my gosh, I am just blown away. Just looking at the cover, I'm a big fan. I am just, wow. Oh my gosh, Dale, this is too much. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. So I'm hoping that one of these days I can share, again, I keep saying this, I will share my mini collection of vintage compact mirrors. I think you guys will enjoy it. And I'm going to have fun looking and reading, learning more about all these different types of art. Look at that photograph right there. How cool is that? Look at the radio. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna show this to my kids and show them what those devices look like. And the cars. Oh my goodness. I have a Father's Day vlog where I went to a car show in a local museum, and this reminds me so much of that. So thank you so much, Dale. So much to read and look through, so that is super awesome. We're gonna put that right there because there is one more item in our box, and it is looks like adult piano, and these are always fun. Actually, I think I'm gonna use this book and teach myself to play piano. Now, my oldest daughter knows how to play the piano. I actually may just teach myself and use this book as a reference. So thank you so much, Dale. This is level 1. I'm super excited. I'll keep you posted on how I do on my lessons there. But that is it, guys. A big thank you. Oh my gosh, Dale, this was such an amazing, super generous price pack. If you want to see the other channels of the wonderful ladies that have been one of the lucky winners from this amazing giveaway, we have Christine from Kawaii Memo Love, who won the boho pack. And then there was Susan's Heartstrings, who also won an amazing prize pack from Dale's birthday and retirement challenge giveaway. Stay tuned because I know she is planning to do another challenge giveaway with some amazing prizes, and I cannot wait to see her again curate those mystery boxes. So I hope you guys can show her some love and support. Her channel will be down below. It's not too shabby chic. You guys have a wonderful weekend. I'll see you next time. Bye.